Secret uses of aluminum foil that few people know of. 1. By wrapping your funnel with aluminum foil, you can intensify the wireless signal, reflecting it in the desired direction. 2. If a battery is small for a device, use a piece of aluminum foil folded as an adapter between the battery and the spring. 3. Passing sharp scissors through several layers of aluminum helps to recover its edge. 5. Placing aluminum foil under your feet makes it easier to move heavy furniture. 6. Aluminum foil on the bottom of the pan prevents food from sticking, eliminating the need for oils. 7. When ironing on aluminum foil, you can seal plastic bags. It is essential that the iron only touches the aluminum. 8. Putting aluminum foil under your clothes can be ironed on both sides at the same time due to the rapid conduction of heat from aluminum. Subscribe for more tips.